Hey friends, Kevin Ostie, super excited for the 2021 Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals event in Chicago. It's the triumphant return of the MCACN show. Now, I've been saying for years that the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals is the best muscle car show in the world. And the cool thing is it's indoors in November in Chicago. So it's a great environment. There's nothing else going on. You want to head out to the Donald E. Stephens Convention Center in Rosemont, Illinois, and check out all the action. Now, technically this year, the show is 2 years in the making. We all know it got canceled last year, even though we brought you an awesome virtual version of the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals, which was a tour of the Brothers collection. But this year, the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals is back live. And in typical fashion, the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals brings out top-notch cars. These are oftentimes original, unrestored, very rare muscle cars, or brand new unveilings of fresh restorations of very rare muscle cars. They also have the barn finds and hidden gem display where you can see some cars that were literally just dragged out of a barn, many of which might be restored next time you see them. One example of that is this awesome Pontiac Gto that was the car used in an actual Pontiac commercial for a feature called the Humbler Exhaust, and it had been found and restored and will be unveiled at the 2021 show. Now, the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals is not just a giant room full of cars. They're presented in very ingenious ways, themed displays, where they invite certain cars that have something in common to be on display. This year, they're celebrating the class of 1970 and the class of 1971 because the 1970 anniversary cars didn't get to be on display last year. So these class of displays feature multi-makes, high-value, very rare versions of historic muscle cars, in this case from 1970 and also from 1971. For Buick fans like myself, there's going to be another outstanding Buick GS and GSX display. Oldsmobile fans will want to check out the W30 display, bringing together some outstanding examples of Oldsmobile W power. One that I'm looking forward to is the invitational display of Plymouth Gto AARs and Dodge TA Challengers. And these cars were only built in 1970, and they were designed to be the street versions of the competition cars used in Trans Am racing. They've got very special features on them, a great graphic package. They're always cool to see. Not many were built. There's going to be a bunch of them at this year's show. Pontiac fans are going to be lining up to check out the Ram Air Firebird and Trans Am display. And Ford fans are not going to be left out in the cold, as this show presents the magic of the Ford and Mercury Cobra jets. Corvettes are always a huge part of the event. After all, Corvette is kind of the middle name of the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals. And there is also the Vintage Certification Program, evaluating and judging cars based on their level of originality to be certified, either Vintage Time Capsule, Vintage Legend, Vintage Heritage, or Vintage Reference status. There's always so much to see and do at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals. You're really going to want to take some time to check it out. Again, it's at the Rosemont Donald E. Stephens Convention Center in Chicago. It's right near O'Hare. Go to MCACN.com for ticket information. I'll be there all weekend, and in fact, Saturday morning we'll be helping to pull the covers and unveil some of these fresh restorations for the very first time in public. And I'm looking forward to seeing you at this year's Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals.